What really happened behind Rodrigo Duterte's dramatic arrest by the International Criminal Court? Did the Philippine government play a role? And was the former president's arrest a betrayal from within? Senator Imee Marcos is reopening the inquiry today into the controversial arrest of former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte by the International Criminal Court on the 11th of March. She wants answers from the country's top officials. Marcos chaired the Senate Committee on Foreign Relations in its third hearing. She's investigating the Philippine government's role, if any, in Duterte's arrest. This was the third public hearing. Duterte's daughter and Filipino Vice President Sara Duterte was invited but is not on the official guest list. She recently returned from the Netherlands where she helped form her father's ICC defense team. It's unclear if she'll appear.
Did you actually arrest E.S. Medialdea in order to threaten or coerce PRRD to get on the plane?
Meanwhile, in the Senate hearing, the agenda that Marcos said and wanted to know is what was the involvement of Interpol? Did other government agencies assist in the arrest? And most importantly, were Duterte's rights under domestic laws and treaties protected? Top officials, including Justice Secretary Jesus Remulla and Foreign Affairs Secretary Enrique Manalo, confirmed attendance, while several others, including National Security Advisor Eduardo and Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr., had yet to confirm. As Duterte faces international justice, the Philippines confronts a deeper question: how to end impunity. Duterte's drug war exposed weak courts, unchecked police, and fragile institutions. The ICC trial is historic, but real justice needs local reform. That means strengthening courts, professionalizing the police, and protecting human rights at home. Rodrigo Duterte is the first Asian leader arrested and detained at The Hague. He's also the first to face trial for state-led mass killings under a drug war. But he is not alone in this kind of crackdown. Thailand's former Prime Minister Thaksin Shinawatra launched a drug war in the early 2000s. Similarly, Colombia's former president Alvaro Uribe blurred the lines between anti-drug and counterinsurgency operations. Thousands were killed, but neither faced an international court. Duterte's indictment sends a message: even presidents can't escape justice if they use state power to carry out mass killings. This is a precedent-setting case. It may change how future strongmen think. Duterte's drug war didn't end crime, it undermined state legitimacy. Framing drug use as an existential threat, he justified killings without trial. Law enforcement became feared, not trusted. In the Philippines, drug networks are linked to politics and security, but the crackdown hit the poor the hardest. High-level syndicates stayed largely unnoticed. Authoritarians often use drug wars to expand executive power. Duterte followed that script. Emergency powers, suppression of dissent, selective violence, all under the guise of order. Meanwhile, the ICC's move marks a global turning point. It challenges the assumption that presidents can kill with impunity. It reignites the debate on justice, accountability, and the future of democracy. For more updates on Duterte's case at the ICC and its impact back in his homeland of Philippines, stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of the Indian Express.